you had a good week so far. I'm back with another video. This week I'm gonna make deli roll. I hope you've enjoyed my previous videos. So let's start. So I have over here a puff pastry. You could either get a big roll like this, or you could buy little squares and make personal pieces. I have turkey breast, I have pastrami, and I have corned beef. I also have barbecue sauce, so you could find a good flavor that you like. This one is hickory and brown sugar. And I have mustard and duck sauce, which I'm gonna use to replace egg to coat it. I'll show you soon. So let's start. First, you take some mustard, go in the center, spread it around, not too much at first. We'll spread it with a spoon just like this. Okay. I don't like to use too much mustard. I actually prefer putting more barbecue sauce, which I'm gonna do on the next layer. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to start with the corned beef. So you want everything to be in even layers. So let me take this off, and I'm just gonna put it like this. I'll put it more in the center. Okay, a little bit like that. And after this layer, I am going to use the turkey, and then the third layer will be the pastrami. This is what the first layer should look like. Now I'm gonna start putting the turkey. So put it like that. Try not to pile them up. I guess a couple pieces will, but it's fine. Now I'm gonna take the barbecue sauce and do pretty much what I did with the mustard. Put some in the middle like that. Take the spoon and move it around. Another option, you could add honey to this, or you could do just honey. They're both really good. So now let me just finish spreading it. And then I'm gonna put the pastrami. Pile it up in layers, just like the others. You want to use 3 different types of deli. It's also good if you have different colors just because it looks nicer, but up to you. And now it's time to roll it. This part could get tricky because it tends to start falling out at the ends, but you pick it up like this. You want to do a tight roll and try to push the deli in so that it makes it easier. Trying to do it with my fingers. Okay. Just like that. Now I have a nice roll, actually a little off center, but it will still be fine. And you can try to close the corners so that nothing falls out. I like to do that. And before I put it in the oven, I'm going to make like 3 slashes with a knife on top so that the inside cooks nicely. Put the duck sauce. So you want to put very little. I'm just gonna put a tiny drop on my fingers. It's gonna make it a nice golden color. People use eggs usually and they rub it. I'm just going to rub some duck sauce on, add some flavor, and it makes it look really good. Just like that. You don't want more because it will start to burn on the outside and the inside won't be cooked how you want it. So this is how I do it, and then just to show you, I'll make some cuts on the top and the dough. Just like that. You put the oven, usually it's like 350 for 45 minutes. With this company on the directions it said 380 for 45. So whatever company you buy, you should just read the instructions and check on it after 35 minutes, look at it and see how it looks, and you can judge it on your own. So I just took the deli roll out of the oven. It looks really good. I would say that I should have taken it out a couple minutes earlier. I got distracted making challenge, but it still looks really good. The inside looks really good. The outside a little bit darker than I wanted, but I think I'm still going to enjoy. So that's it. Have a great Shabbos. and hopefully I see you with a video next week.